Hello everyone, let's now focus towards another hairstyle. First you just have to make a high ponytail and I just have decorated it using this fancy hair clip. After that see how I'm just taking some of the hair and I'm just trying to convert it into the simple braid. This one is very simple and very easy and you can just make it in few minutes. Let's move with another hairstyle. Here I am taking the back section of the hair and I'm combing it properly. Then I am making the two braids out of it. After that, using this tool, I have tried to create the number of these strands and then you just have to convert them into the braids. Using some of the fancy hairpins, I am going to decorate this hairstyle. Let's move towards another hairstyle. First, you just have to take some of the upper section of your hair and convert it into the braid. After that, just remain focused over the leftover hair. If I will talk about the difficulty level, then this one is little bit difficult. You just have to remain focused. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. Just build the braids as shown here. Once your braids are ready, just have to fix them using the casual rubber bands, and after that, you just have to fold them, turn them and decorate with the fancy hair bows. Let's move with another hairstyle. Just comb your hair as shown on your screen. After that, you just have to make the 4-5 divisions out of it. You just have to convert them into the ponytails as shown here from both the ends. Fix them at the proper position. This type of the hairstyle is very simple and is best suitable for the school going girls. It looks quite good and quite nice. It looks fancy also. It's little bit time consuming as well. So you just pause the video and try to make this one. It's nothing, just a simple classical braid. Then you just have to roll it and try to make this type of the bun from both the ends. Thank you.